Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Tech. So in this video I will do the review of the MI Band 2. So let's start the review. So guys, it has a battery of 70 mAh and the battery consumption is very less. By charging the battery to 100% once, you can use it for up to 15 days and the standby time is 20 days. And guys, for the screen it can get some scratches. I have used the band for a month and you can see that there are some minor scratches on the display. So I highly recommend you guys to use a screen protector like this. I have already applied it so that there are no more scratches. And you get 6 features in this band. You can see the time, you get the pedometer, you can see the walking distance, you can also see how much calories you have burned, you can also measure the heartbeat, and the sensor lights up when you will be measuring your heartbeat, and you can see the battery percentage. So let me show you guys by measuring the heartbeat. Let's measure it again. And if you don't like the strap, you can buy many other extra straps from online, which are going to cost you more money, but you can find more beautiful straps like leather straps or metal straps if you want. So if you want, you can change them. So this is it guys. Hope you guys like this video and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.